Hi there, students. Prurient, an adjective. Pruriently, an adverb. Um, Prurience, a noun as well. Okay, prurient is related to sex. It's somebody who has something that is too interested in sex. It arouses or it appeals inordinately to sex. So this literature is incredibly prurient. Yeah, it's lascivious, if you like. Okay, his prurient description of the scene outraged many of the more straight-laced or priggish members of society. Being prurient in Victorian times was not well looked upon. Yeah, it's something that encourages the erotic. It's something erotic, something that promotes lust as well. So he was pruriently dressed in only a very tight pair of shorts and nothing else. So explicit, a bit crude and blue, if you like. So prurient, showing too much interest in sexual things. Yeah, something that arouses an immoderate desire, unwholesome sexual desire. So don't be so prurient about things. I think in society is steadily becoming less prurient, but older members of society still, in many cases, disapprove of prurience. He took a prurient interest in her private life. The article appealed to the prurient curiosity of the readers. That sounds to me like the gutter press. The more prurient they are, the more papers they sell. Okay, so prurient, lecherous, lewd, salacious. Yeah, we had this word salacious the other day. Lascivious, voyeuristic. We as a species, I think we have a prurient fascination with sex scandals. The Profumo affair, look it up, was a British scandal, and it certainly appealed to the prurience of newspaper readers. So prurient, indecent, dirty, steamy, pornographic, smutty. The film contained many prurient scenes which made it appeal to an adult audience. Okay, so prurient, arousing or appealing to sexual desire, inappropriately curious about sex. Notice this word is a very formal word. I think I'd probably give it a 7.5 or even an 8 in formality. I wouldn't use this in an informal conversation. Use it in one of your semi-formal or formal writings. The decreasing prurience of our society. Yeah, people are becoming progressively less prurient and becoming less upset about nakedness, for example. Okay, and then as to origin, it comes from Latin pruriens, which comes from the Latin prurio, to itch. So it's suggesting that you have a sexual itch. You really want to scratch it. Okay, and that's the idea of prurient, creating an itch, creating desire. Yeah. So don't. My grandmother was so prurient about everything. She would disprove of the slightest piece of leg or a cleavage. Yeah, she would disapprove of anything prurient. So, prurient, enough, but remember it's a formal word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Prurient.